What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the Jeep WJ today. I went and bought this thermostat over at, I think I went to Advanced Auto Parts. I got the housing and then I got the thermostat in here. My thermostat that's on here right now is stuck open, so it kind of always runs cold. But I want to go ahead and get it replaced because it was a cheap fix. I think I paid 25 bucks for it with the housing and the gasket and the thermostat, so that's a pretty decent deal. I'm gonna go grab some tools out of the garage real quick and we'll start pulling this thermostat out. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is remove these two hoses, this one right here and then this one. So just loosen these two up. It's pretty loose. And we'll loosen this one. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Let's see if that's good enough. Let's see. There we go. Like a little bit of coolant, but that's all right. And this one pulls off like that. Oh, nice. So for these two bolts, they are both 13s. I got this one kind of loose already. And there's this bottom one. I'm gonna have to get me a deep socket to get to that one. So to get this one, I just kind of pushed down a little bit on the belt and got it loose. And that should be it. Let me see. Pull on it just a little bit. Get this bolt out. That. And there's your thermostat right there. Here's your little bolt. Little one goes on the bottom. Big bolt goes on top. So now, if you're just doing the thermostat, you could probably go ahead and pull it out now. Or if you're gonna do the housing too, you're gonna wanna get this sensor out. So since I got the housing too, I'm gonna go ahead and take this sensor out and we're gonna switch it over to the new one. All right, so to get this out, it's gonna just be a 19 millimeter. Just put it in there. You gotta be careful with it. Just go ahead and get it loose. And then it just spins out like that. Then you grab your new one. And some of them will have this little, I guess it's just like a bung or something. Like that. You just take that out. Screw this new one in. That. Snug it. Snug this one back in. Like that. And this is good to go. I'm probably gonna go look and see which way that sensor is facing, so that way I can kind of just make sure it snaps on really good. But let's go pull the thermostat out. So the thermostat should just pull out. Let's see. Try to get all the old gasket out too. And just like that, old one's out. And the new one just slides right back in. Just get that out. New one should just go right back in like that. And then I'm gonna, let's get this gasket. kind of line it up, make sure everything looks good. So it's gonna go like, it's gonna go like that. And so I got the 2 bolts tightened, the one right here and then the one on the bottom. I'm just gonna take this and snap it into the sensor like that. Then you take your big hose, slide it up on there like that, and take your little hose, slide it like that, and then go ahead and tighten this clamp back up. And we'll snug this one back up. So whenever you get done, don't forget to top your coolant off. I'm still got some bubbles in it. But yeah, the job wasn't too bad. It took about 20 minutes, and that included finding all the tools and stuff. My garage is scattered. Yeah, if this video helped you out, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.